Can I borrow some paper, John?
Yeah, I got you. Wait, but this isn't
Origami paper? Man.
Today I'm going to be covering 3 ways to make money with origami in 2024 and ways that you can even invest into origami if you want to learn how to accumulate some insane stacks like me. The first method I'm going to be covering is a more local approach. Basically what you do is you make origami that you already know how to make, and you basically sell it to friends or family or people that you meet. You can do this at schools, work, clubs, any general space. You can even go to an origami organization and sell your pieces. Heck, if you get it signed by some of the artists who designed it, value goes way up. So that's also a way. The second approach is a little more general. What you can do is you can search for a website where you can sell origami, and then you can ship out your origami. This usually works for harder pieces, so I recommend you only do this when you learn how to make, complex origami that looks good and people want to buy. Places you can sell origami is, I just looked this up just now. You can sell on Etsy, Origami USA, Apple Pie, Framework, and Shopify. You can make money, buy origami paper, make money, sell origami, make money, buy origami. I guess that's a super easy method to accumulate infinite money. You could sell money origami too and make even more. Now, for the third and final method, it's gonna take some explaining. First, you're gonna wanna learn a lot about origami, which means you can use all the resources you can. You're gonna have to have some origami experience, and that means, looking through YouTube or whatever, subscribing to someone's channel. Next, you're gonna wanna start an origami club where you have people joining. And finally, using your skills, you're gonna make your own course where you can charge people and have monthly income like a regular person. As you can see here, your money will go up. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial on how to make money. I hope this helps you generate some money. Subscribe if you like it. See y'all in the next one.